Never lose track of your important spreadsheets again by learning how to save them directly to your desktop. First, with your Excel file open and ready, you want to navigate to the File tab located in the very top left corner of your Excel window. Click on it. From the menu that appears, look for the Save As option. This is the key to choosing exactly where your file will be stored. Click on Save As. This will bring up the Save As window now. To select your desktop as the destination, find and click the Browse button. This will open up another window where you can choose your save location. In this File Explorer window, on the left-hand side, you'll see a list of common locations. Click on Desktop. You should now see all the icons and files currently on your computer's desktop in the main part of the window. Now, at the bottom of this window, you'll see a File Name box. Here is where you can give your spreadsheet a descriptive name type in whatever makes sense for you, like monthly report or budget tracker. Once you're happy with the file name, all you need to do is click the Save button, usually located towards the bottom right of the window, and there you have it. Your Excel file is now saved directly to your desktop, making it super easy to find and access whenever you need it. Happy organizing!